Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period. This is your IT teacher Virendra and I am here to give you the important lecture on the some of the topics. But before proceeding the lecture, let's have a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically, this video belongs to class 11th student, and class 11th student will study about information technology. So with this I am coming to the next slide. So as you know that the IT subject is divided into two parts. First part is employability skill and your second part is IT skill. Your first part employability skill divided into 5 parts. The name of first part is communication skill. This is already running, and in unit 1, that is communication skill, there are 14 sessions are there. So right now let's have our next slide so that you can have a quick recall that how many sessions we have already completed in this. So please come to the next slide. So students, we have completed session number 1 to session number 12. It means that we have already completed session number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the later session number 12. Session number 1 is introduction to communication. Session number 2 verbal communication. Session number 3 non-verbal communication. Session number 4 pronunciation basics. Session number 5 communication style assertiveness. Session number 6 saying no refusal skill. Session number 7 writing skill part of speech. Session number 8 writing skill sentences. Session number 9 greetings and introduction. Session number 10 talking about self. Session number 11 asking questions. Session number 12 talking about family. So students, we have already completed session number 1 to session number 12. Today we are going to cover session number 13, that is describing routines and habits. Okay students, so with this I am coming to the next slide. In this session we are going to cover only two topics. First one is introduction and second one is concept of habits and routines. Priya's days. Priya is the assumptive girl and that give you the example for habits as well as routine. Okay students, so let's come to the topic number 1. So students, topic number 1 is introduction, and in this first we have to understand about few things. So students, you all are aware that every student, every parent, every person having some kind of habits, having some kind of routine in our day-to-day life. But students, we must know about what is the difference between habits and routines. What is habit and what is routines, right student? So with this I am going to give you the definition for habit. Okay students, so habit is nothing but it's a one kind of practice. It's a one kind of practice in which we are following, especially one that is very hard to stop or give up. मतलब क्या हुआ? Habit is one kind of practice, means एक तरह का ऐसा practice है जो हम follow करते हैं हम, okay? और उसको हम तोड़ नहीं सकते, रोक नहीं सकते हम. Okay, so habit is nothing but it's a one kind of practice which we are following and does not want to stop it at any circumstances. For example, getting up at particular time is a habit, means like I'm your teacher, I'm your IT teacher. Okay, so my daily habit is that I have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and I have to sleep at 10 p.m. In the night. Okay, so that's a one kind of habit. Okay, so I will try to take my breakfast on time, that is 8 a.m. or 10 p.m. like this. So this is the example for your habit. Okay, let me come to the routine. So routine is nothing but it's a regular or ordered way of doing activity at a fixed time. मतलब क्या हुआ, एक सीक्वेंस में एक ऑर्डर में आप कुछ एक्टिविटीज को परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, लेकिन जो एक्टिविटीज आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो वो एक फिक्स टाइम में है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट performing some of the activities in a fixed time but in a sequential manner. So this is the definition for routine, right student? So now let's come to the next slide to have more details. Okay students, so right now on your screen you are able to see some of the pictures here, and I have written some word here like every day, usually or generally, always, sometimes, never. I repeat, every day, usually, always, sometime, never. Okay, these are the words, and these words can be described your habits and routines, right students? So, and this figure shows you that a particular girl doing some kind of activity, but make sure that these habits, these actions cannot be stopped. She is doing a one kind of practice, like in the first figure you are able to observe that this is your first figure. You are able to observe that she is trying to wake up at a scheduled time, right? And in one figure she is packing the bags. In one figure she is trying to dress up in a time. Okay, so these are the one examples for the habits, right students? Now I am coming to the next slide. Okay, now this is topic number 2. Okay, so now as the title says that concept of habits and routines, concept of habit and routines, Priya's day, means Priya is the one kind of assumptive girl, and that girl having some kind of habits, some kind of routines. Now we'll try to have a concept of Priya. Okay, in first slide we are trying to understand about what the Priya having a habits, and in next slides we are trying to understand what the Priya have routines, right? Okay, so how would the Priya describe her daily routines to a friend? मतलब क्या हुआ कि प्रिया अपने जो डेली रूटीन से अपने दोस्तों को कैसे बताती है? Some of the below small pictures are there. All the pictures telling you something. That is what the Priya routine has. Okay, and she is following these kind of routine in a particular order, and every day she is following the same, right? So once it is following the same in a sequential manner, that's come under routine. Okay, so let me give a little bit understanding about the Priya's routine, right? So she's get up on time. Let's say she's get up at 7 a.m. Okay, next she take a bath at 7:30 a.m. Now after that she take the breakfast at 8 a.m. and at 8:30 she is going to the school. She came back at 2 p.m. and then she iron and fold her cloth, right? After that, once she is done the folding and ironing of the cloth, now she is taking the dinner at 7 p.m. with the family. Okay, and she also helps their mother for cleaning of the utensils, and after that she watched the television at 8 p.m. and she is going to the bed at 9 p.m. right? So she is the daily routine and she is following every day. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand each and everything what I'm trying to teach you. But if you still have some kind of doubt, definitely you can get in touch with me, right student? So don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Okay, please come to the next slide. Now how the Priya described the habits to her friend Reena. Right now two friends are there, one is Priya and second one is Reena, and right now we are discussing here what the habits are there between them. So let's talk about what the Priya is saying about the Reena, and then after what the Reena is saying about Priya. Now first, hi Reena. Second, hi Priya. Next one is, your hair looks so good. Your hair looks so good. This sentence said by Reena. Second, what the Priya is saying that, thank you Reena. I always oil and comb my hair. Now just see on the screen. Always is in bold, means this word is used to describe the habits, right? Now Reena is saying them, that's good habit. I never oil my hair. Now after that, what the Priya is saying there, you must do that Reena. Have you completed the science homework? Now Reena is saying, yes I have. I finished my homework on time. Means Reena is always doing the work on a particular time. Okay, every day she is doing the homework. Now Priya is saying that that's great habit. I have not completed the homework. I sometime forgot to finish my homework. Okay, so Reena has a good habit about finishing the homework. Now Reena is saying that don't worry, come I will help you with the homework. Okay, so right now in the conversation between them, you are able to understand three words are highlighted here: always, complete, never. Okay, these words are used to give you the description about habits as well as routine. Okay students, now always, never, sometime, these are the words that used to describe the adverb of frequency. Adverb of, आप इसको याद रखिएगा, ऑलवेज, नेवर और समटाइम, इनका इस्तेमाल हो रहा है कि जब आप कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं आप, तो किसी एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म करने के आप परफॉर्म करें उसको बताने के लिए आप इन तीनों शब्द का इस्तेमाल बारी बारी कर सकते हैं. इसी को कहा जाता है एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. अभी क्या क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज एडवर्ब? एडवर्ब क्या है? ठीक है, अब एक काम करते हैं, इसको समझाने के लिए मैं आपका एडवर्ब को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देता हूं मैं. एड प्लस वर्ब. एड मीन्स एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब मीन्स आप जानते हैं, ओके, इट्स वन काइंड ऑफ words which describes the actions, right? So adverb means विशेषण, जो नाउन की विशेषता बताते हैं, और वर्ब में जानते हैं आप एक्शंस. ओके, राइट नाउ एडवर्ब मीन्स द ऐसे शब्द जो क्रिया की विशेषता बताते हैं. द वर्ड विच डिस्क्राइबिंग, विच एलेबोरेटिंग अबाउट द वर्ब, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब. नाउ as you know that they describe how often something happen. They are useful in describing habits. Okay students, so please be remember that whatever the words, whatever the adverb frequency are, that they are always helpful for you, because it giving one kind of help to describe about habits as well as routines. Okay, now let's come to the next slide to have more details. Okay, so I have already told you adverb of frequency, always, never, sometime. Okay, so these are the words which are used to perform an activity, right? And what are the uses for that? It describes the how often something happens. How often something happens, right? And second point, they are useful in describing the habits, right? अब यहाँ पर दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए हैं. पहला एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप कोई रेगुलर एक्टिविटी करते हो तो वीकली, डेली, ईयरली और ऑलवेज, ये 4 वर्ड हैं जिसको कि एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी की कैटेगरी में है, आप इनका यूज कर सकते हो आप। लेट मी टेक वन एग्जांपल फॉर यू। आई गो टू द टेम्पल वीकली, आई हैव टेकन अ हेयर कट एवरी मंथ, okay, I have to go to the school daily. Okay, now let's take an example for irregular activities. Irregular के लिए sometime, often, rarely, sometime, often, rarely, these are the words which are used for irregular activity. So I sometime go to the temple, I sometime having a bath, I sometime go to the market, right? So these are the examples for your adverb of frequency, and here you are able to understand about regular activities and irregular activities, with what kind of words are used here to give up about regular activities as well as irregular activities. Now let's come to the next slide to have more about it, right? Please come to the next slide. Okay students, now it's time to have examples. Now students, you are able to watch here 2 videos one by one, and in that 2 videos you are able to understand some of the frequency of adverb, or you can say adverb of frequency, some of the words, some of the sentences which are used for describing the habits as well as routine. So students, get ready for it. I am going to play the video for you. So let's play first video.
Hey Mom and Dad! This month in advisory we have been talking all about developing healthy habits. Here are some things that you can do to help me make those things part of my regular routine, so I will be more likely to do them the rest of my life.
Rest. Did you know that 12 to 18-year-olds need between 8 and 10 hours of sleep a night? You can help me get the right amount of sleep by encouraging me to start homework early in the evening, helping me to shoot for a regular bedtime, and making sure that I turn off technology at least an hour before I go to bed.
Fruits and veggies. Encourage me to eat healthy by stocking the house with lots of produce in a variety of colors. Teach me to fill half of my plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal. This will power my body with foods and make me feel great.
Exercise. Help me to find physical activities that I love to do. Talk to me about how exercise supports my mental and physical health. Not only is it good for my heart, my muscles, but exercise helps me sleep better, manage stress, and feel happier. So, let's walk the dog, go for a swim, jump on the trampoline, or go sledding. I know I'm not always excited about exercising, so making it fun will help.
Stress. What do you do when life feels out of control? Do you exercise, meditate, play music, or dance around? Help me to find what works for me. Notice when I am stressed. Talk with me about why, and help me figure out what I can do to feel better.
No chemicals. Remind me that my brain is still developing and that I need to be careful about putting things into my body that could affect them. My lungs are made to breathe air, and my mind is meant to think clearly. Drugs and alcohol get in the way of my body and mind doing all of the amazing things they were built to do. I need to make choices that fit with the healthy, long life that I want to live.
Thanks Mom and Dad for loving me and showing me how to live a healthy life. Remind me that every day is another chance to get stronger, eat better, live healthier, and be the best version of myself.
Okay students, so I hope you are able to see each and every content of the video and you have enjoyed a lot. Now I'm going to play our next video so that you can have more detail about it. Now first video belongs to habit. Now second video belongs to routines. Okay, let's have the second video.
Hi Mark, I'm so glad you came over.
Hi Nicole, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm great.
Let's sit on the swing and talk. I want to know you better.
Okay.
I'm so glad you moved here. So tell me about yourself. What's your typical day like?
Well, usually all my days are very busy, with lots of activities. I get up at 7:45 because my school only starts at 9. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I have breakfast with my family at around 8:15. We usually have boiled eggs, milk with toast, butter and jam. We all leave home at 8:40. My parents drive me and my little sister to school and then they go to work. I have lunch at the cafeteria at about 12:30. I leave school at 2 p.m. I take the bus and go to the sports center where I play basketball.
Basketball. That sounds awesome.
I'm very passionate about basketball. One day I would like to play for my local team. At about 4 p.m. I finally get home. I eat a snack and I watch TV. At around 6 o'clock, I do my homework. I have dinner with my family at around 7 p.m.
How do you like to relax in the evening?
Well, I usually play the guitar. My little sister loves to dance on my music. I chat with my friends for a while. Or I play computer games. Then I take a bath. At 10 o'clock I turn off the lights and go to bed.
What about the weekend?
On weekends, I like going to the movies with my friends. Or I go cycling with my family. We have so much fun together. What about you? What's your typical day like?
My day starts at 7 a.m. I go to the bathroom and take a shower. I have breakfast just with my dad. My mom leaves home earlier. Then I go to school by bus. I have lunch at 1 p.m. at the school cafeteria. After I finish school, I go straight home. I do my homework at 3 p.m. At 5, I go to a dance club where I take dance classes. I am crazy about dance. I have dinner with my family at around 7:30 p.m. Then I help my mom with the dishes. After that, I go to my room and chat online with my friends. Before going to sleep, I like reading.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I prefer mysteries, fantasy, and science fiction. I turn off the lights at 10:30.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Well, sometimes we visit my grandparents. Other times we go camping when the weather is warm. I love sleeping in a tent, don't you?
Yes, I do too.
Other weekends we just go shopping.
It seems we have much in common. It was so nice talking to you. I have to go now. I am going fishing with my grandpa.
Thanks for coming over.
You should pay us a visit too and meet my little sister. She is very funny.
I would love to, of course. Thanks for inviting me.
Okay students, so I hope you definitely enjoy both the videos and it is very knowledgeable for you. One more thing, when you are watching the videos, the first video belongs to habit and second video belongs to routine. Okay, in second video both boy and girl having a different schedule for performing their activity, right student? Okay, so students, now it's time to come next slide. Okay students, now in this video, after completing the session, you are able to understand, describe your regular activities and tasks. Means what the regular task is, what the regular activity you are going to perform on day-to-day life. And second thing, describe in the correct order that activities that you and other people do every day. Means whatever the routines you are going to perform every day, right students? So students, I hope you are able to understand each and everything. Now, with this, I am coming to the next slide. Okay, students, now we are about to end this video. So students, thank you so much for watching my video. We'll meet in next video with new chapter, with new concept, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please give your valuable feedback so that you can have improvement day to day in your videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can have a notification in your inbox first time. So students, thanks a lot for watching this.